It's Friday night, and I decided I should start packing because we leave to Disney 5 a.m. on Sunday. Our flight leaves at like 5:30 a.m. That's probably the earliest flight we've ever had. I'm gonna have to like get up like at 2 o'clock. Crazy. So I just wanted to show you kind of like what I consider necessities. I'm kind of a light packer, so this is like all my necessities, and of course I'll also pack clothes. But other than that, I really don't pack that much. Between me and my husband, we can get by with one suitcase, but we also usually bring two because I'm a big shopper and I need that second suitcase for stuff that I buy. So since we are going to Florida, I am taking the waterproof jackets. We discovered these last year. These are Brook waterproof, like I think they're athletic jogging jackets. They're very lightweight. They're perfect so you don't get hot, but you're still protected from the rain. And the best part is it folds down to the sides. This is my jacket. I left his unfolded so you could see what it looks like not folded down, and that way they fit perfect in my backpack. So I carry a backpack purse on all my trips. This is the purse I always use, or I've been using for the last year. It is Kipling. I discovered the brand because I was watching a video by Graveyard Girl, and she seems to love the brand, so I gave it a try. I love it. It's waterproof, it's lightweight, and it has a bunch of pockets, so it works out great. I use backpack purses every day, but most of them are not lightweight, and so this is perfect. If you ever use a backpack purse, you know sometimes it just starts hurting your shoulders after wearing it too long. This has never happened. It's the perfect weight. Let's see what else. So since this is a Disney trip, I have a little coin purse full of Disney pins. If you're not familiar with Disney trading pins, at the park they have cast members wearing lanyards that wear pins, and if you see one that you like of theirs, you can trade with one of yours. And it can be fun. It used to be like a huge thing at Disney about 10 years ago. Pin trading still goes on, but it's not like the craze that it used to be. You don't see nearly as many cast members wearing the lanyards, so you kind of really have to look for the cast members if you want to trade. I'll be honest, I don't really trade that much anymore. I think the last trip I only like traded 2 pins, but I bring them just in case. You never know when you're going to see a cast member with a pin that you really want, so I bring them, but most likely I won't use them. And then here's our magic bands. We have an annual pass. The magic band is pretty much all we need to get into the park. But these are our actual physical pass holders. You bring these if you want a merchandise discount, because as annual pass holder, I think it's 20%. It's either 15% or 20% you get off merchandise you purchase. I think there's also some restaurants at Downtown Disney that you can get a percentage off. You have to have these cards to get that discount. They won't let you use your magic band. I know, because my last trip I forgot the actual cards and I couldn't get the discount. So I also bring a small travel umbrella just in case. These are great, but if I'm trying to record, I kind of need an umbrella because this doesn't protect my camera, it just protects my body. So let's see, ones. I always bring ones. I don't like to carry a lot of cash on vacation, but I always make sure I have plenty of ones. We always fly to Florida, so we tip the shuttle bus driver. If anyone helps us with our luggage to our hotel room, I'll tip that driver. And then of course Florida is famous for tolls, so you got to have toll money. And then I have a fan. We always carry this fan. It's a little bigger than a typical travel fan, but a lot of travel fans are not very loud, and I'm actually using it for the noise more than to cool me down, because you know some hotel rooms have pretty thin walls and you can hear the people next to you, so it really helps to have a noisy fan. This year, since we're doing the art festival, I got this tip from my sister actually. So at the art festival, they have food booths, and the food all comes on disposable plates and glasses and stuff, but they really go overboard on how nice these disposable cups and trays are. And some of them, it looks like they're heavy duty and you really want to keep them. And so I really want to keep them anyway because, you know, I'm a hoarder. Maybe the average person doesn't want to keep them. But if you're a collector, you're going to be like, wow, this is a nice plate. I wish I could keep it. So I bring a Ziploc baggie so I can like throw the dirty plate in here, and then that way I can not have to worry about washing it right there. I don't have to run to the restroom and wash it. I can just stick them in the bag, and when we get back to the hotel that night, I can rinse off the plastic plates that I wanted to keep. And then, let's see, you're going to be like, why are you bringing this? This is a wine bottle opener. This is just comes through from experience. I have been, especially since we travel more, I don't know, because we get perks from our credit cards, and sometimes we get gifted bottles of champagne or wine. I mean wine, right? Because you don't have to worry about it with champagne. I've been gifted wine bottles before and been bummed because we didn't have a wine opener and we couldn't find a wine opener. And so I always carry a wine opener now, because I've had at least 3 trips where I was given a bottle of wine unexpectedly, and I really regretted not having a wine opener. So now I always carry one in my suitcase. All right, this is an autograph book. Disney, you know, they have all those characters and they give autographs. I pretty much have been enough that I have like almost every single character autograph. So this is for if I run across any characters I don't already have. Like, I'm not going to wait in line for a Mickey autograph because I already have his, but say if I see a character I've never seen before, I carry the book around just in case. And then last is our toiletry bags. This is my toiletry bag. This is my husband's toiletry bag. We travel enough that this is our exclusive toiletry bags for traveling. They're never unpacked. Don't use this stuff day and day. It's everything I use day and day duplicated. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So, like, you know, my favorite deodorant, it's in here, and of course I also have one in my bathroom. That way, you know, like when you're traveling and you quickly throw all your toiletries in a bag, you're gonna forget something. So if I have this exclusive travel bag, I know I'm never gonna forget anything. And when I'm on vacation and I see that I'm low on something, I just type myself a note and restock it when I get home. So pretty much that's all I need for vacation besides the clothes. And I really don't pack too many clothes. I do have, you know, one outfit for every day. A lot of, you know, professional travel sites say, you know, bring a set of extra clothes because you never know when something's going to happen, something's going to get dirty, etc. I don't worry about that. If I run out of clothes, it's Disney. There's plenty of gift shops. I'll buy a $30 t-shirt. So anyway, I better pull out the clothes that I'm going to wear.